Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be doing a Valentine's Day look for you guys. And I'm just gonna start off by spraying my face with the Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I've only used this once, and I really wanted to use this for a Valentine's Day look just because I think it has, you know, all the right colors. I think it has everything that I need. I'm gonna start off taking that shade Desert Sand, which is this shade right here. And all I'm gonna do is just take this all over the lid. Actually, this is a crease shade, so I'm just gonna take this in the crease. This mirror is really nice in the palette. And I'm just gonna take this. Now I'm using the tape because I want to do a fierce smoked out wing liner look. So that is what I am going for today. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of Eden, which is like a peachy type of shade. And I'm gonna add that in the crease and on the lid as well, but more in the crease. Next, I'm gonna pick up Saffron, which is like a dark red shade. And I'm gonna start taking this really close. My lash line. A little bit of black liner just on the outer part, like right here. And I just added a very thin line of eyeliner at the tip. I'm gonna go back in with that shade Saffron, and then I'm really gonna start smudging it out. And I'm just gonna take this e.l.f. palette, and I'm just gonna take the black shade in it, and I'm gonna help blend that red part on the tip. And then I'm gonna go back in with that red again. And I'm just gonna go back in with my fluffy brush and mix Desert Sand and Eden. And now I'm just gonna take that color Turkish Delight. And I'm not taking it all the way to the inner corner because I'm gonna take another shade there. I'm gonna take that shade Angelic. I think I'm gonna take a little bit of that shade Retrograde, doing a really half outer wing. I'll take the tape off and see how it came out. I feel like I got so much glitter in my eyes. So this wing is looking really weird, so I'm gonna have to try and fix it. So all I'm gonna do is just go back in and add some more of the Turkish Delight. And it's pretty much a back and forth process. This look is like one of those looks that really don't pull itself together until the very end. So I'm not like worried about it or anything. I'm gonna coat my lashes with mascara, and then I'm gonna apply some lashes, and I will be right back. Okay, so I am back. I applied lashes, and I used Kiss Look So Natural lashes. It comes in a pack like this. And then I used the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation. I gave it another shot. And I used my NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. And now I'm just baking. And I'm gonna finish the rest of my face with you guys. And just an update, I actually am liking the foundation again. I tested it out with some other products, and it seems to be doing pretty good so far. So I am going to use the Kat Von D palette, and I'm just going to use the first shade. And then I'm going to use the middle shade. Kind of used a little bit too much though. A little bit really goes a long way. I'm gonna add this Hard Candy Glow All The Way blush in Honeymoon mixed with my Burts Bee Toasted Cinnamon. You guys know I've been loving my Toasted Cinnamon blush lately. I cannot get enough. But I also really like these hard candy blushes because they kind of give a luminous glow to the skin. I'm going to take that Desert Sand and Eden shade, and I'm just going to take that all over the lower lash line. Next, I'm just going to take that shade Saffron. And I'm only going to take this on the outer part of the eye. I'm just going to take my black liner from Colourpop, some mascara on again. So instead, I'm going to take that shade Nefertiti. And I'm gonna take the Anastasia Aurora palette, and I'm actually gonna I'm gonna pick up the shade Luna, and I'm gonna wet my brush. And I'm gonna take that Luna shade for my brow bone. I'm just going to line my lips with the Milani Color Statement Lip Liner in 02 True Red. I'm loving this look. I'm gonna take the Colourpop iluvsarahii Ultra Matte Lip in Arriba. I think this is the perfect lip color for this look. This is pretty much the completed look. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. I really loved doing this tutorial. I think this is something so stunning, and if you don't want to go so bold, I think that you could wear this eye look you know, any time throughout the day. You could pretty much get away with this look because the eyes are not super dramatic, but I think it is perfect for Valentine's Day, especially with a bold red lip. You could never go wrong. But thank you guys so much for watching, subscribing, and sharing my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Here. Just sprayed that all in my eye.